Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and you're watching Miss Kiki's Curls. Alright, so as you already saw from the title and the clip before this one, I received PR from SKIMS. This morning I woke up at 9 a.m. As usual, I checked my phone, I checked my emails, I go on social media, you know, the usual while I'm trying to wake up. And so I checked my emails and I saw that I had an email from an employee from SKIMS. I've always purchased my own items from them. Never once have they gifted me anything. Never once have I even thought of that happening. But today, my dream came true. So I ended up checking my email. I saw the email from the SKIMS employee. It said a gift from SKIMS. And I thought that was kind of weird. Like I was like, what kind of spam is this? So it basically said that this week SKIMS was going to be sending me a gift via FedEx, and that next week is when I guess the items from this collection launch. So they are asking, you know, if you share any of this on social media or anything like that, to please wait until at least the launch date. So anyways, I thought nothing of it. I just let it go and I was like, well, if this is real, then I will get a package this week. If not, then hey, no big deal. So I did my workout this morning. I was cleaning up around the house and about to have breakfast. And so I was about to go downstairs to take the trash out when I see the FedEx guy. And he comes up the stairs and he's like, hey, are you Kiki? And I was like, yeah, that's me. And he has this big box in his hand. So I'm like, no. So I get the box and I look at it and it is from SKIMS, which made me so freaking excited. So basically, I got PR from SKIMS. The email was legit and I got a package and I just cannot wait to share it with you guys. I'm so excited. Today is Tuesday, the 24th or the 25th. And then this debuts September 1st. So I'm filming this today because I am just on cloud 9. So if you would like to see the PR that I received from SKIMS, the special gift that they sent me, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Ugh, this is the box that I received from SKIMS. Once you open the box, this is so hard to show, guys. This is huge. It says SKIMS inside. We have the little paper, and then we do have a little card. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the card. Is what the card looks like on the front. And it says, Dear Kiki, I wanted to thank you for your support of SKIMS this last year. Fans like you are the inspiration behind everything we do at SKIMS, and I can't wait to celebrate more together. Kim. And then it says, tag us at SKIMS. So that is what that looks like. This is so cute. Did she really write this? Either way, I'm keeping it. This is so neat. This is my first PR package ever. I mean, technically, I don't know if they counted as PR. So I just took the paper off and I'm going to try and show you what this box looks like, guys. This is the hardest box to pick up, I swear. So that is what the box looks like inside. So let's go ahead and start with the first item. The first item that I see in here is this SKIMS by Kim Kardashian West doll. Like literally it is a SKIMS Barbie. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So this is what she looks like. She is a fellow curly girl, yes. SKIMS curls, Miss Kiki's curls, hey. And then she does have some of the Solutionwear shapewear on as well. And she is just so cute. Like, can you even deal? Because I can't. She's gorgeous. So the next items that I see in here are these two little cases. There is a black one and a nude one. Let's put them out for y'all to see. Alrighty. So that is what it looks like, and then it just opens like so. I'm not really sure like what these cases are for though. They didn't like provide really any like a pamphlet of information or anything, so I'm not quite sure, but it's cute. I feel like I would use this maybe as like a makeup bag or something, because the material it's made out of would be really good in case something spills. You could wipe it out really easily. But yeah, that's what these look like. The next item in here is this SKIMS 100 stickers set. So this is what these stickers look like. These are really cute. It just has a lot of like SKIMS items. It has Kim Kardashian. It has some of like the promo pictures. Really, really pretty. And I just love how aesthetically pleasing Skims is. The next item I had actually taken out of the box when I first opened it because it is chocolate. And if y'all don't know, I live in the desert. It is at the very least 100 degrees, if not 100 and something degrees. So these were literally soft whenever I got them. Luckily, they didn't spill or melt on anything, but I stuck these in the fridge and now they're actual chocolate bars. So it came with not one, not two, but 3 chocolate bars, which look like that. They're really cute. They say Skims on them, Skims chocolate bar. And then there's like this pretty rose color, this taupey color, and then a brown color. So once again, very aesthetically pleasing. The next item that I see is this. This is the SKIMS Sculpting Bodysuit Mid-Thigh. This is in the color Onyx and a size small medium. In Skims, I typically do wear a size small medium, so thank you for looking at my history and choosing the appropriate size. So that's a picture of what the bodysuit looks like. And then this is obviously what it looks like not on a body. That is a full shorts bodysuit, which I am just so excited about. The material is nice and stretchy, good quality, just like all of Skims items are. I really like the shorts. I've never really purchased like shapewear. I'm excited to try this because this is like my first pieces of shapewear and I didn't even have to buy them, like they were gifted to me, so that's awesome. So yeah, this is a v-neck bodysuit. It does have these adjustable straps on it, and then it looks like a little bit of like a scoop back there. You probably don't even really need to wear this with a bra if you don't want to. And then it comes down into the shorts bodysuit, and then it has the little part on the back that kind of like accentuates your tush. And these look like they are about mid-length shorts. So next item that I got is the SKIMS Sculpting Midways Brief, also in Onyx, also in a small medium. That's what the picture looks like. And then whenever we open this, this is what the brief looks like. So it is basically just a high-waisted brief. Again, has a little accentuation for your tush. And then it is high-waisted. On the actual waist, it does have this kind of like plasticky material, which basically makes it so that it stays put and it doesn't slide down, which I think is genius. That is a great idea. I also really like with Skims, their stuff has really good stretch and it's really good quality. So you definitely, this looks tiny, like a child size item, but whenever I actually put this on, it has the stretch to fit my body, I can already tell. And because it has that stretch and the material it's made out of, plus the little plastic around here, I know it'll sit nice and comfortable, which I really like that they're like mindful of things like that. So my Apple Watch just died. So yeah, really like that. Can't wait to try it on. And then the last clothing or solution wear item that I received is the Solution Short 02 in Onyx, and it's in a small medium. This is what the picture looks like. And then just for reference, this is what the size chart looks like if you guys are interested. They also do have the size chart on the website. So let's go ahead and give this an open. And this is what this looks like. So it is again high-waisted with the plastic here. It has the short on one side and then kind of like a brief or like cut out on the other side. So this is really nice because you can wear it if you have like a skirt that has like a slit or something, so you can still wear your shapewear if you do feel like you need that extra support or want it. This is nice because you can wear this and feel comfortable while still, you know, showing off your leg, you know, looking cute, having a little style. So yeah, that is what that looks like. Again, has the little area for your tush back there. And yeah, this looks really cute. Can't wait to try this on. Let's see, this is the short. This one, for some reason, doesn't have like a regular sticker like the other two. The Sculpting Bodysuit is, what is this? $68. The mid-waist brief is $32, and then I'd assume the shorts are probably $30 to $40 as well. So I cannot believe that. I am shocked. 3 SKIMS pieces, like, I'm so excited. And I've really been wanting to try her shapewear. I just haven't gotten it because, well, we're in quarantine. Who am I going to be wearing shapewear for? Where am I going to be going? It's a little pricey, and since I've never tried it, I'm like, do I want to splurge and spend more my first time, or do I want to try something a little cheaper and just see how I like it? So it's really nice that I didn't have to choose. I get to try my favorite brand's shapewear. So thank you, SKIMS. And then guys, the very last item in this ginormous box is this ginormous calendar. So this is a 2021 SKIMS calendar. It starts right in 2021, and it just has a lot of the campaign pictures for each month, which I think is really pretty. Again, like I said, I just love the aesthetic. I love the colors that she uses and the pictures. I feel like with how the calendar looks, that it would go really well in my room with my colors. It's really pretty and neutral. I think this would even be really cute, like if you were to just put it on like a coffee table, kind of like a coffee table book, just because of how aesthetically pleasing it is. All right, guys, so that brings me to the end of this unboxing and the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Like I said, I'm completely shocked and overwhelmed and surprised and so many other words that I even received this. I had literally no idea I was receiving it, no prior contact from the company, nothing like that, but I am so grateful and so thankful. I think this is a beautiful idea for SKIMS to actually send boxes like this from time to time to their actual loyal customers, not just to influencers, because I mean, the loyal customers were the ones spending that money and supporting them, you know. And I really do like Kim Kardashian. I do support her. It's a great product, and I will definitely give her that for SKIMS. Everything I have ever purchased has always been great. Their customer service was also very great. So I have nothing but good things to say about them, and even more so with this gift. So thank you so much to Kim Kardashian if you're watching this. Or not, but thank you so much to Kim Kardashian and to SKIMS. I'm just so excited. This is a beautiful idea, really great surprise, especially during the current circumstances with everything that's going on in the world. Like, this was just a really nice surprise and kind of a way to, you know, make people feel happy, give them a little something to smile about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what products you are thinking to purchase, what your favorite item was from this haul, and yeah, open the conversation up in the comments section and let's talk. I love responding to you guys, interacting with you guys. I want to do a lot more of that, so like, talk to me, okay? Let's have a conversation, let's have a kiki. Please take care, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.